Okay. So good morning again. Today we are going to start our second module. First module was just introduction. Okay. In first module we show various what is civil engineering, what is the definition of civil engineering, what is the definition of engineering, which are the branches of civil engineering, what is the work for civil engineer, how it is affect on our economy. Okay. So all that we show in our first module. Now this one is the second module, module 2, that is introduction of surveying and leveling. I already told you what is surveying again. I told you yesterday actually. What is surveying? What is the definition of surveying? What is surveying in simple term? हम किसे सर्वे करना किसे बोलते हैं? Horizontal measuring and vertical measuring. Yes. So surveying is a horizontal. It is a term in civil engineering, right? That is a horizontal and vertical measurements. But in simple terms, so what is surveying? Surveying means के to collect information regarding something. Okay, अगर आपको किसी चीज के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करनी है, so that is a surveying, right? So you know market survey, जनगणसंख्या हम बोलते हैं. Okay, so all these are the surveying. So what is surveying in terms of the civil engineering? So surveying is the art of and science of determining the relative points of various points or station on the by measuring the horizontal and vertical distance, angles, and taking the details of these points, and by preparing a map or plan to any suitable scale. So what surveying? To prepare plan. Okay, what is the requirement of surveying? Why we have to survey in civil engineering, right? To prepare map or plan to any suitable scale. हमें क्या बनना है? हम suppose you want to construct a bungalow. Okay, so for that you require data regarding your site. Site मतलब जहाँ पे आप construct कर रहे हो, your area. Okay, so you require the data. Okay, so for that you have to survey. ओके आपको मेजरमेंट करना होगा कि उसका हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस कितना है, वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस कितना है, उसका लेवलिंग मींस के वो that particular area is leveled or not. Okay, अगर ये ढाड़ वाली जगह है, so you have to make it level first of all. Okay, so that is leveling, that is a different term actually. So what is surveying? Surveying is the art of an science to determining the relative points of various points or stations on the surface of the earth. मतलब अर्थ सर्विस के वेरियस जो रिलेटिव पॉइंट्स है उसे मेजर करना, that is a surveying. Okay, so that is a surveying in simple. Now what is a leveling? Okay, so this is a leveling. Leveling is a branch of surveying which deals with the measurement of relative heights of different points. Okay, difference between the height difference between 2 points, that is a leveling. Suppose this is the leveling staff, इसे बोलते हैं leveling staff, and this is a dumpy level. Okay, by the use of dumpy level we can measure the relative height between 2 points. Okay, so that is a leveling. Leveling is a branch of surveying which deals with the measurement of relative heights of different points. Okay, अलग अलग पॉइंट के बीच की हाइट मेजर करना, that is a leveling. above or below the surface. What is surface? That is our datum. किसी एक datum के reference में we have to measure the surface. Okay, or that is a datum. That particular line is known as a datum, जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में, ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू मेजर द लेवलिंग ऑफ द ग्राउंड, हम लोग जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में लेवल मेजर कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इज अ डेटम सरफेस. Thus in leveling the measurements elevations are taken in the vertical plane. So सर्वेइंग में हम क्या कर लेते हैं, मेजरमेंट जनरली हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल प्लेन इन बोथ, ओके, बट इन लेवलिंग वी टेक मेजरमेंट्स ओनली इन अ वर्टिकल प्लेन, ओके. ये जो आप लेवल मेजर करोगे दैट कुड बी मेजर ओनली इन अ वर्टिकल प्लेन. सो इन लेवलिंग वी taken the measurements in a vertical plane only. Now what are the objective of the surveying, हमें क्यों सर्वेइंग करना है, what are the objectives of the surveying? The objective of surveying is to prepare a map or plan to show the relative points of the object on the surface of the earth. मतलब earth surface, but suppose you want to construct on any earth surface, suppose somewhere on earth surface you want to construct an railway, you want to construct a railway, so you have to collect information regarding that particular railway. आप रेलवे के रिगार्डिंग में इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करनी है, ओके. सो द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ सर्वेइंग इज टू प्रिपेयर अ मैप और प्लान, ओके. तो वो जो इंफॉर्मेशन होगी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इंफॉर्मेशन यू मैप और प्लान, ओके, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप उस रेलवे का तैयार करोगे या तो फिर उसको प्लान करोगे, ओके. सो दैट इज एन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस सर्विंग. हमें सर्विंग क्यों, जनरल टर्म व्हाट, टेक द इंफॉर्मेशन, डेटा कलेक्ट करना, ओके. सो इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग व्हाट इज सर्वेइंग, हॉरिजॉन्टल या वर्टिकल प्लेन के अंदर जो हम डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं, सो दैट इज अ सर्वेइंग, okay. In terms of the civil, the map or plan is drawn to some suitable scale. It also shows boundaries of districts, states and countries too. जो मैप प्लान प्रिपेयर करते हैं, कंट्री मैप प्रिपेयर करते हैं, बाउंड्री मैप प्रिपेयर करते हैं, है, ओके. सो फॉर दैट इज ऑल्सो अ सर्वेइंग. सर्वे करने के बाद ही वी कैन प्रिपेयर अ मैप, ओके. सपोज आपको सूरत सिटी का मैप प्रिपेयर करना है, तो यू नो विच प्लेस, कौन सा प्लेस कहाँ पे है, you have to know, require the survey, okay. According to that data you can prepare the map. So what is an objective of the surveying, to prepare the map or plan. It also includes details of different engineering features such as building, canals, okay. अगर आप suppose के line you want to construct a new rail मुंबई, okay. Suppose कोई कोई नए रूट पर है कि जहाँ पे अभी तक नहीं हुई है, okay. You want to construct a new railway line, okay. So what you have to do, you have to survey that, you have to survey your route, okay. आप रूट है उसको आपको सर्वे करना है, और उस कौन से ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट आ रहा है, ओके. maybe there is a river, maybe there is a hill, okay. So you have to survey first of that route, okay. So आप लोगों को सर्वे करना है if there is a river, और आपकी अगर रेलवे लाइन जो अलाइनमेंट है, अलाइनमेंट मतलब कि जो रेलवे लाइन आपकी जहां से पास होने वाली है दैट इज नोन एज एन अलाइनमेंट. तो आपकी से पास हो रही है in between. So what you have to do, you have to construct a bridge, okay. अगर railway है तो you have to construct a bridge. Suppose there is a mountain or hill, very tall hill, okay. So what you have to construct, you have to construct a tunnel, okay. So for all of this you have to survey your alignment का, and then a non construct. So it is also includes details of different engineering features such as building, वहाँ के बीच में जंगल आ रहा है या नहीं, okay. All this you have to survey, roads, railways, dams, canals, etc. Okay. Objective, this is a surveying. This is some plot, ये कोई एरिया है, okay. यहाँ पे suppose you want to construct, okay. यहाँ पे this is your office building to construct over here. तो आपको क्या करना है, you first have to survey these areas. आप अगर सर्वे करोगे then after the survey प्लान, और प्लान प्रिपेयर करोगे उसके बाद आपको रियल में उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना है. सो दैट इज अ सर्वेइंग फॉर यू, ओके. आपके पास दिस इज जस्ट एरिया को कैसे डेवलप करोगे, ओके उसके अंदर आप कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट, कहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्ट करोगे, कहाँ पे आपका ग्रीन बेल्ट होगा। ऑल दीज आर ग्रीन बेल्ट, ये आपका ग्रीन बेल्ट है। ओके यहाँ पे दिस इज योर ग्रीन ग्रीन बेल्ट। यहाँ पे आप या तो गार्डन है, ओके सो दैट इज अ ग्रीन बेल्ट। तो हाउ टू प्लान, ओके तो फॉर प्लानिंग यू रिक्वायर दिस सर्वे ना है, तो उसके पहले आपके पास एरिया होना है। यू कैन objective of the survey. This is a one more plan. यहाँ पे this one is a plan. Building A building, B building, D building, buildings. Okay, and this one is a also this is a plan of okay किसी एक सिटी का प्लान है गुड़गांव. Okay, this is a city of a plan. This is a plan of a city. That is a Gurgaon. Okay, Gurgaon city का ये plan है. Okay, so for prepare this plan, you also need a survey. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि where is a railway line. आपकी city में से railway line कहाँ से pass हो रही है, where road कहाँ है, river कहाँ है. Okay, so all these you require to survey. इसको यहाँ पे कलर इंडिकेट करता है कि कौन सा कलर क्या इंडिकेट करता है, that is unable to read actually. So we just need what is surveying. Okay, so for prepare this plan you require the surveying. For prepare this plan again you require the surveying. Okay, these are the water bodies. ये कोई river है या यहाँ से कोई bridge side pass हो रहा है. This is a railway line. Okay, so all this is the after surveying you can prepare this kind of the map of the city. This is a map of the city map. Now, what are the objectives of the surveying? Now, uses of the surveying. What are the uses of the surveying? Surveying हमें कहाँ पे use करना है? The surveying may be useful to prepare a topographical map which shows valley, rivers, forests, village, towns, etc. Region का topographic map prepare करना है. If you want to prepare a topographic map for a certain region, so for that you need to survey. After survey only you can prepare the map, right? So आपको पता होना चाहिए where is a hill, where is a river, where is a forest, where is a village. Okay, so if you want to prepare a topographical map you need to survey. To prepare a cadastral map which shows the boundaries of the fields, plots, houses and other properties. अगर आपको आपकी कोई किसी properties का map prepare करना है, suppose you have a farm and you want to prepare a map for your farm. Okay, तो आप क्या करोगे, उसके आपका जो हाउस है, आपका घर है, आपके घर की बाउंड्रीज का कहाँ तक की है. ओके, सो फॉर दैट also you need to survey. To prepare an engineering map which shows the position of the engineering work such as building, railways, dams. So survey is also required for the engineering works. Okay, suppose you want to construct a road, you want to construct a dam, you want to construct a canal, you want to construct a building. So before that construction you need area or that particular region. आपको उस region का survey करना है. Okay, you can prepare the engineering map or engineering plan. See, that is a topography. This one is a topographical map. Okay, इसका मीनिंग क्या है, दैट वी विल शो इन सिंबल्स. ओके, अगर आप ऐसा आपका कोई मैप प्रिपेयर किया है, मतलब ये आपको मैप आपको क्या शो कर रहा है, इट शोज यू इधर दिस एरिया इज हिली और नॉट. ओके, कहाँ पे आपका एरिया प्लेन है, कहाँ पे आपका एरिया हिली है, कहाँ पे वाटर है. ओके, सो दिस वन इज अ टॉपोग्राफिकल मैप. दिस इज अ टॉपोग्राफिक. दिस वाज इन अ cadastral map के means के it shows your area of your house, area of field, area of the your properties. Okay, so that is a cadastral map. This map is known as a cadastral map, जो आपको आपकी property का area shows करता है. Okay, so that is a cadastral map. So this one is a cadastral map. It shows you area of your properties. अगर आपको जानना है कि आपके घर का एरिया कितना है, कहाँ तक आपकी जगह है, so cadastral map will show you this information. This one is engineering map. Okay, this is an engineering map. यहाँ पे कोई एक साइट है, वहाँ उसका मैप है. Okay, it shows you कि what is suppose you want to construct a building, okay, or you want to construct a society, survey that particular. यहाँ पे this shows a water pipeline. जो पाइपलाइन होती है ना, उसका ये मैप है. आपकी सिटी में दिस इज अ वाटर लाइन सिटी. ओके, आपकी वाटर जो पाइपलाइन है वो है. सपोज फ्यूचर फॉल्ट आता है, ओके, के अंदर आपकी वाटर, तो एंड यू हैव टू रिक्वायर द मैप. ओके, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपका कौन सी लाइन कहाँ से पास हो रही है. देन एंड ओनली यू कैन फिक्स. ओके, सो दिस इज अ that kind of the map. Okay, so these maps are known as the the use of survey to prepare know the topography of the area. Want to know either it is a hilly, either there is a road, railways, bridge, reservoirs, canal, etc. Okay, also you require the surveying. उसके लिए भी आपको surveying करना है. Surveying also used to prepare a geological map, archaeological map. Okay, so all these kind of the map you surveying for setting out work, transferring details from the map on the ground. अगर आपने कोई plan prepare किया है and you want to transfer that particular details onto the ground, so for that also you require the survey. Suppose आपने AutoCAD में कंप्यूटर के अंदर आपके घर का प्लान बनाया है, but that plan you have to translate. Okay, so for that also you require the to setting out what the details from the map to the ground. आपका जो को मैप से ग्राउंड पे अगर ट्रांसफर करना है, so for that also you require the survey. This is a contour map. Contour map अगर ये hills है ना, तो उसे ऐसे indicate करते हैं. These are the contour lines that you will show in leveling. What is contour, etc. This is a military map. Okay, ये military map है कि military का कौन सी बटालियन या फिर कौन सी टीम कहाँ पे है. So this map shows that. Okay, so these are the military map. This one is a geological map. Geological map is again, what is geological map? Geological map shows you where is a dam, where is a bridge, where is a railway, where is a river line. Okay, so all this information shows geological map. Archaeological map. Okay, जो पुरातत्व विभाग, archaeological department, they map ancient time prepare karo. Fundamental principle of surveying. What are the principles of? So there are two surveying. First is from the whole to the part, and new station by the list that we will see in detail. Okay, so you have to remember these two of this. So you have work from whole to survey. Railway part, मतलब आपका सब कर. Okay, so you have into small parts and then you have to survey that area. Okay, so that is whole to part. Now the next as it is a linear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
there are two basic principles. The first one is a all from whole to part, and the next one no station. What is whole to part? Whole to divide your area into small survey. अगर आपका suppose 100 this पे 100 acre campus, okay? अगर आपका 100 है and you want to survey हमें अलग अलग part, okay? And the next principle is to look जहां से आप सर्विस measurements you required at least for the to locate either it is a linear or it is either it is a angle. For that you require minimum point. From that point only you can establish a new station, you can fix a new station. Now, first principle, always work from whole to part that I told you. According to the first principle of the whole survey area is first enclosed by main station. Okay, you have to fix a one station, main station. Okay, and that station is also known as a control station. That our station is known as a control station. And in reference